Not trying to step on your
Well,
toes.
right. And I had my microphone on mute. I was talking to social media over here.
Oh, okay.
Telling them to leave us some questions if they had
Okay, so
any.
let me pull up this video. There we go. See the whole kitchen.
So we have a little compost bucket on the counter. So as you're preparing your food, you get into the habit of, instead of throwing your scraps into the trash, we collect them. Just trying to make the process as convenient and part of your everyday life as possible. And then right off of the kitchen, we have a larger bucket with a really tight lid on where we collect everything. So once that bucket gets full, then that's when we take it out to the compost bins. We'll see in a second.